So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jeff. No, I'm just kidding. It's obviously Kimbo. But, yeah, we're in this nice hotel. I'm pretty sure that's M Stubbs. That's my boy. Yeah. What's good? We're doing a massive unboxing on the thing while opening, I guess. Best word. Yeah. But, we're doing that. And we're starting with this intro. He knocked on the wrong door. You totally knocked on the wrong door. Alright. Wait, I'm not looking. Alright, I'm not looking. Wow. Look at that.
I got a Dragonoid monster truck.
Oh my god,
you got a Dragonoid shirt?
We're educated, thanks Shaman, Illinois, Jet Kusa.
Wait.
Yeah.
You got a Dragonoid
and then
shirt.
stuff in the corner.
2 Bakugan shirts.
Yeah.
Whoa,
and things fell out. But
okay,
backstory.
I literally got 2 backpacks.
We got backpacks because Spin Master's amazing at this event. And first of all, look at these backpacks. They've got like 2. They actually got like 2
It's like Christmas.
I got a Bakugan
different zippers for them. So there's this one right here, and then this one, and that's wild. All right, so let's see here. You guys can probably hear what they're saying and such, but I'm gonna set up my tripod real quick. All right, so we're literally all opening like what's inside of these. So let's see what we got. So you hear like a massive amount of noise. Yeah. So what? There's 2?
There's really nice.
There's 2. Hold up. Hey. Yo, long sleeve.
Yes.
I like this font.
Oh, yo, it's an Armored Alliance long sleeve. Holy crap, what's the size? I'm curious, did they get my right size? Did they? Yo, large, they did. So, yeah. Bakugan Armored Alliance, dude. That is wild. Alright, so you know what? I'm actually gonna...
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna film this down here because the lighting is definitely better down here, and I'm using my mobile tripod. So let's set that up right there. Yeah, of course. So this is what this looks like, guys. So we got this right here, Bakugan Armored Alliance. It's a long sleeve, and it's large, and it's the actual right size. And also, I got another long sleeve. I got 2 long sleeves.
I got socks.
I got another one. And then, yo, we got this Bakugan hat. Yo, we got another one that's all black. That looks so sick. Holy cow. Alright. And then, what do we have here? What is this? What do we have? Yo, it's a shirt. What? Yo, it's a Dragon. What? It's a Dragonoid shirt. Dude, look at it. Okay. Alright. Hold up a minute. Wait a minute. Let me look at this. It's a Dragonoid shirt with Spin Masters. That's wild, dude. I saw some of the reps wearing this at Anime Expo, and I managed to get this. That looks so cool. Oh my god. Okay. All right. That's so amazing, man. So then we've got let's see what else we got in here. Well, we got these, you know, that to make it fresh. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Sometimes there might be something hiding. No, nothing in there. Is there any other pockets in this bag? And, yo! Check this out. Alright, so we got pins. We got Hayos. We got Darkest. You already know I'm putting that on my Letterman. We got Pyrus right there. We got Aqua's right there. We got Arliss. There's the Arliss pin. I'm shook. You already know what's going on there. And Ventus, dude. All the pins. So literally 2 long sleeves. Got that jersey. Got the hat. Got the pins. We got stickers. Yo, Hayos, Arliss, Pyrus, the Bakugan sticker, Ventus, Darkest, Aquas, Bakugan. Yo, there's Bakugan actual, like, rub-off tattoos. That's crazy, dude. And there's socks! Yo, alright, this is how you know I'm getting older, because I got so excited about socks, but I got Bakugan socks. That's already my favorite pair of socks. You guys already know. But yeah, what is this? This is like, what the heck? It says Bakugan on it. If I can get it open.
That's cool.
What is this?
Do a sticker, like, it's actually-
Oh, dude, alright, so there's like a Bakugan type of case. It's kind of like a deck box. It's kind of cool.
Just in case,
And it's
you might want to
wooden,
the underside,
you know?
because if we all use it as a
So,
box,
yeah, dude, that's sick.
I mean, his
Be like a wood mic sitting around.
Yeah, they're all opening it. You know, we all got to
Oh,
say
hi, I'm Jack Kuso.
Hi,
Sports
Jack
fan.
Monster truck fan.
guys, I've got a silly.
A JoJo message. Yeah. JoJo.
Not for kids.
What's for kids? It's grape juice.
Hello.
But,
I want
yeah, JoJo's are here.
Hey, did you just
And,
No, I brought this.
Oh, no, it was,
and yo, so, like, there's so much stuff here, though. Check this out. Like I said, the stickers. Got 2 long sleeves right there. Got the hat. Got this awesome vest, dude. That looks so sick, dude. That sports shirt, that's so awesome. The Drago shirt, that is sick. And then we got this, which is, it could be like a deck box, you know? And it says Bakugan on it. This is obviously made of wood and just so cool, dude, that they made that. That looks so amazing, man. But, yeah. And then, yeah. But, yeah, guys, that's basically everything for this awesome unboxing, dude. Just thanks so much, Fin Master. It means an absolute ton, man. It's just wild. Even just being here, like, everybody, you know, and we're all just opening it. But, yeah, dude, it's so hype. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to slice that like button down below. Let me know I did. If you're new to my channel, definitely be sure to subscribe for some epic content, because I upload daily. And if you haven't already, be sure to ring that bell by my channel name to be notified whenever I upload a video. So yeah, guys.
I gave each of us this backpack
JoJo's making her bid.
and a name tag
Yeah.
for the event tomorrow. So
That's a
this
cool
is
one.
my first look on it, and everyone here has already opened theirs, and they're not gonna spoil me.
Nope.
But then, right?
But yeah.
There's nothing.
Anyways, till next time, guys. Your boy Kimbo signing off. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay awesome. And Bakugan, bro. I'm up out of here.
Two big mediums.
I need to get footage of that right now.
Sports. Monster Jam.
Hey, Fang.
Sports, man. Fight.
Sports.
Fight. Come on.
What did my carpet do to you?
It's so funny. I just started collecting Monster Jam.
Nice.
Like an ultimate collector piece right there.
We're getting behind the scenes footage for you guys, because, yeah, it's awesome. JoJo over there. Oh, check it out. Rocking the hat.
That is nice.
And it fits,
Handcrafted artesian Bakugan.
made in Italy.
Made in Italy.
Made in
And it
Italy.
fits, sleeved cards, which is
Oh, that's good.
Nice. Really, really nice.
I don't trust myself to do it though. I do like a paint wash.
Okay, we got some stickers. Ventus, Darkus, Arcus,
Yeah. I was like, I wanted to do
Chaos,
Jeff Kuzo, dude.
Arlis, Iris, and Bakugan logo.
Put on a monster dude. Now you're on a different YouTube channel. Oh yeah.
I'm Stubbs, rocking it.
Socks?
Yeah, the socks.
Oh.
Dude, that's how you know we're getting older, because we get excited about socks.
right?
Yeah, these things go really well.
That's how you know we're getting older, we get excited about
Oh
socks.
my god.
Yeah.
Kim, wow. Eventually we're gonna have a whole like wardrobe outfit.
Temporary tattoos.
Face taps.
Face tats.
And
Boom, boom.
we got some silica gel.
Yes.
Wow.
Turn up.
Is that it?
Oh, man.
Yeah, there's something in there, I believe.
I know where my sock is.
Ooh. Oh,
Yeah.
we got all pins.
The
of
pins.
All the, I didn't get these from the last one.
Please do not share with the Jeff Kuzo like
We didn't
that.
get an Arliss pin. They're keeping Arliss
I'm
on
Jeff
secret.
Kuzo.
And I like trucks. Welcome to Texas, Jack Kuso. I like trucks and sports and football and dirt. I like dirt and being in dirt.
Lots of dirt.
Yeah.
All the dirt.
I'm
I
a
think
dirt.
that's
I'm a
it,
dirt
right?
man.
That's
I'm a
it, right?
dirt tuber
I
now.
think
Dirty
so.
Dan.
What are your thoughts?
What's this awesome backpack?
What do you give it out?
Dirty Dan Kusa.
11.
Or 11 out of 10.
Thanks, Louis.
new shipment in, boys.
Got a new
Backyard this time.
shipment in from Dirt Master.
Okay, dude. I'm from Texas. I mean, you're from Texas too, so like that's okay, but
I'm scared. Quiet.
Just takes the hat off and just whips it.
Rock tag exactly 3 people in this photo. Happened to be one of them.
Was that a bouncy ball?
Oh, he did.
That's it?
What? You only tagged 3 people.